Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, and power windows. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Call now to schedule a test drive.